Flat, windswept, and ringed with brilliant coral reefs, Anegada is unlike any other island in the British Virgin Islands. But beyond its unique landscape lies a haunting legend that's whispered on stormy nights, the tale of the Howling Winds. Centuries ago, Anegada's treacherous horseshoe reef claimed the lives of countless sailors. Ships crashed against the unseen coral, and many perished before reaching shore. Locals say their anguished spirits still cry out through the wind. When the north winds whip across the low-lying island, eerie sounds echo across the sand. Some describe it as weeping, others say it's a chorus of wails, too human to be just the breeze. Fishermen have even reported voices calling their names in the night. The howling is strongest near the old wreck sites, and many believe the spirits of drowned mariners are forever trapped by the sea that betrayed them. Is it just the shape of the land and the rhythm of the wind? Or is it a warning to tread carefully near Anegada's ghostly shores? Thanks for weathering the storm with us. If you're drawn to mysteries carried on the wind, be sure to like, subscribe, and light up the notification bell so you never miss a story from Beachside 365.